Well, this is an interactive report or dashboard or summary, however you want to call it, that was created by AI in Perplexity. And this was based on this article that is very, very long. It talks about AMD versus NVIDIA, and this is an article that is not for everyday people. And there's no way I'm going to read the whole content of this page. Instead, using this interactive web page, it's making the process of understanding the content to be a lot more engaging because you can click on some items, you can see different things, and sometimes it will give you better perspective when consuming content. So I'm going to show you how you can generate an interactive report or dashboard like this using Perplexity. Now, at the moment, I'm using the Comet browser and I'm going to be utilizing its agentic feature, but this is optional. You can actually still create that interactive dashboard even without using the Comet browser as long as you have access to Perplexity AI. Now, here, I'll basically just open a new tab on my Comet browser and I want to create a new shortcut. So shortcut is basically, well, a shortcut that contains multiple or a huge prompt that you could send immediately to AI when you're reading content in the Comet browser. So I actually just use the assistant feature right here and then send the shortcut, and it'll just generate this very long report and interactive web page based on that instruction. So here I'll just create a new shortcut, and the simplest way to create a shortcut in the Comet browser is by just clicking this area and then type backslash and then click create a shortcut. Now let's call this shortcut report, and this is the instruction that I'm going to use. Don't worry, you can use this in you can get this in the description down below. And again, you can use this instruction even without using the Comet browser as long as you can access Perplexity AI. Now let's open Advanced and switch to the Perplexity Labs mode. So this is very much necessary. You cannot use the regular search or the research mode in Perplexity because the feature to generate a web page only exists in the Labs mode, and that is also only available if you're using the paid version of Perplexity, whether it is Pro or the Max version of this platform. Anyway, you can select the source. It could be web, academic, social, finance, or all of them, but in this case I'll just strictly use the web, and I'm going to click save. There you go, a new shortcut has been created. I'm going to go back to this page and I'll just open another article from this website. Let's see if there is something that we can turn into an interactive page. Okay, let's try this article that talks about Amazon AI. So yeah, it is also a very long article. Now I'll just open Comet Assistant. And this is the benefit of using the Comet browser because first, you have access to the Comet Assistant on the sidebar of the browser. And secondly, you can use the shortcut feature. So I'll just type backslash and then type or select report. And there you go. But if you're using the regular browser, then you might have to insert the whole prompt. Again, the prompt is in the description down below. Now here, I'll just specify that I only want to get the report based only on this article. So I'll just add some extra instruction only from this article and then the message. Now, given that we are using the Labs feature, this will take quite some time. I think, generally speaking, it can take up to 20 minutes to generate one interactive page. So you can just leave it running. Don't worry, you can even close the page or even the browser because this process is actually running in the Perplexity server. So I'll just skip forward and show you the final result of this AI article. Okay, so it is actually a bit faster than my expectation. I thought it's going to be more than 10 minutes, but it's actually just 7 minutes. Now, I'm going to open it. You cannot just click it because it's not going to fit in this window. So you have to open the thread on a new tab. And only after that, you can open the app that was created via Perplexity Labs. And yeah, it looks great. By the way, if you want to see the full screen, just click this button. And this is the page that you can share. If you want to share this report to your friends, then you can do it. Now, as you can see, it looks quite simple. The prompt is actually trying to create a simple report, but still quite informative and interactive. And this just talking only the most important things about the article or about the content that you just provided. So yeah, I would say this is a better way to consume the information than reading a very long wall of text. So again, the prompt is in the description. You can use it. You can turn any content into interactive dashboard using Perplexity Labs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.